Bhai Bheno, each one of you is a powerhouse, is an embodiment of great Shakti and guiding millions of people, crores of people all over the world. So when we all come together and synchronize ourselves with the Sankalpa, then we will create a new consciousness field of positivity, which can even probably drive away the power of the negativity in the world at large. Therefore, we have this synchronized global prayers, which has been evolved. And as I have been sending messages to all of you, there is a scientific dimension even to measure what happens at the global consciousness field. There are 100 REG instruments all over the world which are tracking what is happening at the global level. And that all can be analyzed after this beautiful event that we are all having. Therefore, I am sure all our students, disciples, and other people associated with all our organizations can join together to this great prayer moment in which we will all pray for the welfare, to bring peace on earth, to improve our health standard, and to reduce all the negativities of the corona and other things. So with that, we will start our prayers, and in our attempt to go towards silence, we start with Brahmari, the humming sound of the
साथ हम शुरुआत
and
करें
feel that
इंग्लिश
all
में।
body,
डॉक्टर
whatever
HR
breathing,
नागेंद्र जी हमको बता रहे हैं, आप अपने अपने टीवी के सामने
then we have the dimension of Sankalpa, what we are going to do. So let us start off with
आप समझे नहीं।
the dimensions of Brahmari. Closing our eyes, relax.
आप समझे ही नहीं।
And relax each and every part of the body. And we start with the
ये तो बगी ने
Brahmari.
किया होगा ये।
Inhale.
वही तो बात है।
वहां से डिसेबल नहीं करें और बोले नहीं
उनको तो बोल वो तो ठीक है।
Sounds and feel the vibrations throughout the body and invoke the great Shakti of our mind will.
नेक्स्ट हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए तमाम गुरु इस वक्त भ्रामरी प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं। टीवी पर अगर जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं दोबारा दोहराना चाहूँगा, आप अपने टीवी के सामने ही भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के साथ इस विश्व प्रार्थना में जुड़े। आप एक एक चेहरा स्किप करते रहिए।
With that wonderful vibrations, divine vibrations, we tune our mind to that infinite consciousness, that Mahashakti, and in that state of all pervasive, expansive silence and Shanti, we repeat our Sankalpa 9 times. With all our collective power of Shanti, we strengthen our immune system. With all our collective power of Shanti, we strengthen our immune systems. We'll do the remaining 7 times ourselves. With the full Sankalpa Shakti, Manas Shakti, hordes of people all over the world at this time doing this Sankalpa.
आप स्क्रीन पर तमाम गुरुओं को देख रहे हैं। इस वक्त मौन के साथ आप सब लोग देश विदेश से इस कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित हैं।
As our Prime Minister had conducted, we will do our clapping to see that we offer our appreciation to all those people who have been working day and night for relieving the suffering people. Do the clapping times.
अपने टीवी के सामने या आप जैसे भी इस वक्त इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े हैं, सब लोग तालियां बजा रहे।
Thank you all. With all the combined effort of all of us, I am sure the power will reign. As Puja Pranab Pandya ji was mentioning, that even the Niagara Falls came down and many other such things are happening. And why not? All our spiritual powers joined together can bring about a great transformation in the country, all over the world, to make India's spiritual heritage grow to greatest heights, and see that we power up ourselves with tremendous Shakti and see that we eradicate this great corona that's come as the biggest challenge of the world. Thank you all once again for your cooperation for this prarthana. I'm sure all our disciples and devotees and students all over the world are doing this prarthana every day, 6 o'clock in the evening. Let us do that. Those who cannot do 8 o'clock in the morning, they can do in future. Dhanyavad.